Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday morning, and I'm tired. I ended up doing a little bit of work last night that I didn't anticipate on doing, and I didn't film any of it, but we have two ceiling fans in here, and I just got on a whim last night, climbed a ladder, and cleaned them both, and took all the globes out, and soaked them in bleach water and cleaned them, and they are spotless, and it is a good feeling, guys. It is a good feeling. But I got that done, and I just feel like I have been on a roll with trying to get to a list of things that I want to accomplish before my parents come to visit. I had one light bulb that I could not get in there. I'm going to have Ronnie's dad come over. I tried and tried and tried to get that light bulb to go in there, and for some reason could not get it to fit. It's the same, just like all the other ones. I just couldn't get it in. It was just the craziest thing. I just made myself a cup of coffee, and I'm going to sit here and enjoy it, probably watch a little YouTube, and wake up and figure out what I'm going to do first while Ronnie's asleep upstairs. If you're not familiar with my channel, this is my laundry space. Basically have just taken over this house, and I need a new floor in here, so if you see that, don't judge. It is going to happen. Also had some plumbing work done, and so this has to be filled, and I have the piece that's going to go in there. It's going to be painted. It's all good, guys. So everything is just one step at a time. I got a lot of Tupperware in here, which, by the way, I use a lot of. The only thing is what I'm trying to say is, see, all this here is pasta, and even though I use the pasta and it's going to stay good, just like my mackerel and my salmon and my sardines. Yes, we eat sardines. Take it and put it on the bottom down here, and then just put a couple up here. That way this isn't all being taken up by pasta and salmon, if you get what I'm saying. All right, guys, let me grab this phone a little bit better here. I'm filming with my phone this morning, so the washing machine is on, but I just want to show you guys where I'm at. I'm at a stopping point because I need to buy a few things, and I'll explain that. So down below here, right here, this is all the pasta that was taking up all of this space. Actually, it was this space. And then that is all the mackerel and pink salmon that was taking all of this space. So what I did was I pulled down what I needed. Okay. And I know that this is all rotini. This is all bow tie and spaghetti, and then that is all the boxes of elbow macaroni that I had, and I put it in a airtight container. That way it's out of the boxes, and I use that the most, so that's going to get utilized big time. This is all rice, instant rice, and potato flakes, so all of that is on the lower level. We've got soup, and it only made sense to put the saltines with the soup. We got vegetable stock. We've got ramen noodles. And then this is all breakfast. So we've got pancake stuff, grits. Yes, we eat grits here in West Virginia. And pancake syrup, and a new thing of oatmeal that I just bought. This is all vegetables, beans. Let me see here, I can't see. Oh, this is all fruit. This whole section right here is all fruit. This is a couple cans of pink salmon that I took from up above, so I don't have to climb on a chair when I need it. This is all tuna fish, and behind that is some chicken. This is the croutons, bacon bits. We've got 2 jars of pickles left, which is hard to believe because we had a ton in here. We've got sauerkraut, 2 jars of spaghetti sauce, and this is all diced and stewed tomatoes right here. Up here is just miscellaneous stuff that we use. So Ronnie has some cheese dip. This is all salsa. We've got 1 jar of, what is this? Mushrooms. And in the back is black olives, rotel, as well as some jello and pudding, scalloped potatoes. We got 4 boxes of those, and a couple of things of the cracker crumbs that I use all the time. This is the thing that I want to incorporate in here. So as you can see, this bin, and this bin does not match, and it bothers me. So when I get to the store, I'm going to buy bins like this one, and I'm going to buy a couple extras, and I'll show you here in a minute why. But that way it will all match in here, and it'll be really clean to the eye and very appealing. And I love that, because actually when things look good, I'm more apt to want to cook and get in here and create and do when my eye is not all over the place like it is right now. So anyways, this is towels, you know, like dish towels, dish rags. No, dish rags, dish towels. This is all laundry stuff. I keep my pods in one of these things right here. This is all coffee and tea. Candy bars. Yes, I said candy bars. This stuff here is real simple. This is mini creamers that are for my dad and me. Usually my dad uses them when he comes out, though he has never been here yet. But he likes those, so I keep those on hand. Let's see. These are my coffee filters, beans, and rice. So I just filled that canister clear up with rice, so that's all rice. This is all condiments. So we have steak sauce, ketchup, ranch, mustard, tartar sauce, mayonnaise, and spicy mustard, and all barbecue sauce. And this is where all the excess mackerel and pink salmon went to, because obviously we don't eat salmon cakes every single week, but it's there and it's all good. And when I utilize these 2 cans down here, I'll just reach up here and grab 2 more and bring them down. That way we are not using up valuable real estate. Then we have the ginormous Tupperware bowl, which I love, which has even become a makeshift punch bowl at a time that I got for a wedding present. I put that clear on the top. This is all Tupperware. Now, and that's extra coffee up there, but Ronnie and I don't drink that. That's actually the kind of coffee that his parents drink, and it's half and half. And I have 2 of them up here, so when they come over, but I also have one right here already open, so that is that. What I'm gonna do is, with this, I'm gonna get me a big container to put all of the big Tupperwares in, and put that over here in the corner of my laundry room so it's not taking up my shelving. And then I'm going to get another basket like this, and it'll all match, and house all the small ones like I did in, let me show you guys without knocking everything over. I'm doing this one-handed, like I did here. So see, all these are the small Tupperwares, and that way all I got to do, if I want one, they won't fall on the back. I just pull the container down. They're light as anything. Can you see here? And then I have it. So that is that. And what is so nice about having everything at eye level is that you know what you have and what you don't have when you go to the store. So I noticed right off that we are running out of pickles. We are running low on spaghetti sauce. So these are the things that need to be, you know, bought and stocked up on. And I like, it's sort of kind of making a little bit of a makeshift grocery store, but I can see what I have. And as you can see, I still have 2 things of greens. These are my favorite. And I always stay stocked up on scalloped potatoes because those are Ronnie's favorite. So see, if you can see what you have, the better you are with managing your money, as well as none of your food goes to waste or goes bad. So that is what I like. I'm very happy with this. I also tidied this area up back here, yes, we need flooring in here, but that is that. That is all my excess larger appliances that I don't use on a day-to-day basis. I put this basket up here. If anybody has any suggestions, I would love suggestions for my onions and potatoes. Where do you keep your onions and potatoes? Because I need a place to keep onions and potatoes. So I'm keeping them in this basket right now. I know it's weird, but I have these 2 blouses in here because they have to be washed on delicate and then lime dried. So those are next. But that is my pantry, and I'll step back so you guys can see a little bit better. I'm very, very happy with it.
Praise, thanking you for this food which we're about to receive. Lord, we ask that this food be used for our nourishment, for our strength. In Jesus' name.
Hello everybody, I am getting ready to go to bed. It is the end of VEDA day 30, which I combined into 2 days. And I never got my bologna salad made. So I apologize for that, but I am going to be making it probably tomorrow. I gotta get up at 6:30 in the morning, and the bus is coming to get me early because I'm gotta go. I pay some bills at Walmart, so I'm gonna go to Walmart and take care of that stuff. And Ronnie's gonna go with me, and we're gonna have a day out. And I didn't really film a whole lot today because I couldn't. Him and I set up the guest room, and it was a lot of work. And in this house we have 2 flights of stairs, so that was fun, moving stuff up and down the stairs. I'm rambling, but thank you so much for watching. Like I said, VEDA was a lot of fun, so be watching for my new videos for Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I promise you it's going to be a lot of fun to be had, and I will be seeing you all again soon. Good night, guys.